Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to create YouTube playlist on your computer or on your mobile phone. The quickest way to make a playlist will be on your computer, however I'll show you how to do it on your mobile app as well. On the mobile app you won't have much choice, as you will see later on. By having a playlist in your YouTube channel, you can keep your viewers on your channel for more longer. Since you have more videos related to a topic they're interested in, they will browse through your videos and hopefully watch them all. You can let people know of your playlist by having them in your video cards or in the description. So what is a YouTube playlist? Playlist is a collection of videos on a specific topic. If someone finds one video from your playlist, they're more likely to watch the other videos in your playlist as well. So let me show you how to do it on a computer. On the computer there are two ways you can create a playlist. So let me show you the first way of creating a playlist. Let's go ahead and open up a web browser and navigate to youtube.com. Then click on your profile image at the top right and then click on your channel. Then click on customize channel. Once the page loads up, click on playlist. Now you'll see an option to create a new playlist. Go ahead and click on new playlist. Enter in the name of your playlist and choose if you want it to be public, private or unlisted. Then click on create. The second way of creating a playlist is by going over to your YouTube Studio by clicking on your profile image and then YouTube Studio. Then click on the playlist tab at the left hand side. Once the page loads up, click on new playlist. Enter the name of your playlist and press create. Once a playlist gets created, all the steps onwards are the same from the two processes. As you can see, it'll give you a chance to rename it or even add a description to the playlist. If you click on the three dots, you'll be able to add video to your playlist. Here you'll be able to add video to your newly created playlist. You can do a video search or enter in the URL of a video, or you can select your own YouTube video. Once you're done selecting, press add. When adding videos to your playlist, you can also add other users' video as well. So now as you can see, there are videos in my newly created playlist. There are other options within the three dots which lets you do some customization to your playlist. You can allow collaborators to add videos to this playlist. You can edit the playlist settings, and lastly you can also delete this playlist. Now let's look at how to create a playlist on your mobile app. This will work on your Android phone and on your iPhone. Open your YouTube app on your mobile phone, then tap on the library tab at the bottom right of the screen. Once you're there, then tap on new playlist to create a YouTube playlist. Here you'll see only the recent videos which you have watched. As I said before, it does not give you much options, so you need to select from your recent videos. Then tap on next and it'll give you an option to name and edit the visibility option. Once you're happy, click on create and it'll show up in your playlist page. By tapping on your newly created playlist, it'll allow you to shuffle the video around, share your playlist with someone, or you can edit the title and description of the playlist. By tapping on the three dots at the top right, you can delete the playlist if not needed. So same option as the web page, but limited when trying to select what video you want to add to the playlist. And that is why I prefer creating or editing my playlist on a computer. And that is how to create a YouTube playlist. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and it will surely get you more views. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more social media app tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next one.